There's a little corn here along this side, north of the farm, and just right around the corner. That kind of blew down. So when he drags his snoots, he gets plugged up. All right, we're just northeast of the farm here. There's Dad, he's working on getting the baler set. We put a couple posts out here, and this is where our down corn was. And we want to put up a hot electric line, so we're just pulling away the stalk so the cows kind of have like a little border where we're gonna put the line, because they've never been around a hot line, so we're not sure how they'll take it. So we just want to rake up the corn stalks around it, and then we may dig around it. So I'm just pulling it with this. We're not doing much, so don't worry. We're not overworking the Ranger. We're just doing a little bit here. As you can see, there's corn cobs corn right there. Okay, we let a few of them go out. We had a few mishaps, so our cows are not used to an electric fence or hot wire. So they see it and they just want to run through it. And they broke it a few times. And so we're doing small groups. James is on the back side. All right, now we moved them just east of the place now. We had them up in that little corner back there, but now they're all in this, ran a new line, a lot bigger area. So they got to scavenge for more corn a little harder in this place. There's not as much down corn as there was up along that side there north of the groves. Have them out here for a couple weeks now. Plus, on this one, we only ran one wire. So, one wire all the way around. They kind of get the point not to go next to it. So, it's a big enough area that